What's up, guys? It's Woody back with TM and TG. We got a good one for you. For those of you that do not know, this is a lifestyle improvement channel geared towards independent and self-reliant people. So if that is you, go ahead and subscribe right now. And also, as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate the support from all of you guys. This is a small channel and it's going to help us out a ton. So this project right here was actually done on the tailgate of an old square body pickup Chevy truck. The old man and I, we built this box right here, and actually this thing is it's going to be a gift to somebody that's changing jobs, moving on with their life. A friend of mine, and this is a kind of a going away thing. There's going to be some gag gifts and some mementos and stuff like that thrown inside of it. And it was made out of cedar. That's the wood we used on this, and then we just put a water-based sealant on it. Nothing too fancy, nothing that would actually change the color of the wood, because we wanted the cedar look and we wanted it to maintain, its natural tone. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and go right into the footage of us building this box and putting it together. I'll see you guys at the end, where I'm going to give an update on this channel. Things are going to start changing a little bit. Nothing too drastic. We're still going to be doing the same stuff, but we're going to do some name change and a little bit of other things. So stick with me till the end. I'll tell you what's coming up in the future for the Man and the Goat. I accidentally deleted some of the footage of this box build, and that was just us cutting the cypress boards to size. But we mitered the corners. I'm going to keep the talk to the minimum, enjoy the footage of building this box. Once we got the miters cut, we just glue the edges, the ends, and we actually needle nailed it together and clamped it using some wood glue.
probably use this one. See if I got my all that half-inch stuff here. Round it right.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty close. Very close there. There we go. Now, it's about 3/4 that's in there. It should be about right there's the edge of that board in there. So we want that probably over there, about that mark. Like that, I'd say. It's about 3/4. 3/4. Right there.
Why don't you just pre-drill a little?
Well, we're off the center on you. We're going to, but I want to get a little dot, you know, so it stays in the middle. Don't water off.
Yeah.
You know, too much. Hopefully, not none. No. Don't water off that way. Now see if it works for drill. 16 holes in it. Yep.
I'm gonna try this wood filler out. They make a cedar wood filler. I can't ever find it. My Lowe's is pretty terrible. But while I was up north, I looked at Menards as well, and they didn't have any either. And I probably just cut that a little too big. But I want to fill these cracks, so we're gonna try using this. Get up here. Second. Yeah. Come on. Shut. All right, I'll give you guys a good look here at the finished product. It turned out pretty well, you know, not too bad. A little bigger probably than what I needed to go, but that's all right. We got the hinge and then the inside. Yeah, not too bad. And that's gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed us making this box, me and the old man. I did a lot of the filming, he did most of the work, but that's all right. And I really appreciate his help with this one. I think it turned out well. So, what's coming up with this channel? I'm actually gonna be doing some gardening. I'm not a gardener, never really grown any plants in my life, but I actually have the cedar right over there. So what's gonna be coming up soon is I'm gonna be building a raised planter box and planting some vegetables, and we'll see how that turns out. I hope you guys subscribe and stick around for that. And also, you may see a name change with this channel. Actually, you probably will. We'll be changing it from The Man and the Goat, which was a project and a business that I started with my buddy. He actually is not really involved in the channel anymore. He's decided to do other things, and I really feel like I could change the name to kind of match more or less what this channel is really about, and that's kind of making life work for you, for whatever it looks like. So look for that name change soon. I really appreciate the support that we've gotten so far. I hope you guys stick around. With all that being said, I'm Woody with the Man and the Goat. Please join our tribe. See ya.